Hey y'all, it's Beth from Phastek. I'm here today with our 2010 Camaro SS, and we're gonna replace this worn out Chevy emblem with our ISC Innovative Styling Concepts Bowtie Delete. So this is super easy, and this mod is gonna give our front end a brand new look, and it's all under $50. So first we're gonna start with removing our existing Chevy bow tie. You're gonna feel around in the back and you're gonna find some tabs to push down and work the bow tie out. You wanna be very careful when you do this because you don't wanna break these other tabs I'm about to show you in the center. So these are the two tabs you're feeling for in the back to pull down. As you can see, we already have a broken center tab. So you need to be really careful and kind of wiggle this bow tie out so you don't break these center tabs. Now we're gonna put in our Bowtie Delete. So if you look at the back of the Bowtie Delete, we have the tabs. You wanna make sure your tabs are going up, and then we have these two pins. These two pins are what you wanna line up here in your front grille. Line it up, push it in, and beautiful. So there we go, guys. That's our innovative styling concept, Bowtie Delete. If it's a 2010 to 2013 Camaro SS or Camaro V6, super easy to put on. The only tool you need is your hands. And we'll see you next time.